dress. As you can see, it's very flowery and flowy at the bottom. Great colors, light colors for the spring and summer. Second dress in my collection is this dress here. Beautiful dress, also very flowery. You can see a very cute detail on the sleeves here, and beautiful gold thread all over the dress, which makes it really cute. And you can wear it casually, you can wear it to work or any special occasions. And the third dress is this flowery dress as well. Beautiful, quite light color, as you can see. Very flowy at the bottom. Beautiful sleeves. Also, you can wear casually to work or any other special occasions. And now, let's try them on. today. I hope you guys liked what you saw, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Bye!